This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey gardening fantastics, how are you guys doing? Hope everyone is doing well. As you can see here, this is an update on the red onion. Isn't it beautiful? I like the artistic growth progress on here. It has grown and created an artful pattern. Isn't it beautiful? This is that red onion. Look how the little spears, 3 spears grew out of that onion from the center, and that's they call it the second season. And the green onions coming out of there, growing for the second time. And I placed it inside of this cute little face cement planter. So cute. It's very small. Don't let it fool you. I just love the pattern that this repurposed vegetable grew into. It is gorgeous. Yes, guys, I propagated a red onion, and this is why you do it. You never know what you're going to get, and you might just get something as beautiful as this. Something to admire and appreciate. Look at that formation. It is absolutely gorgeous. Tell me what you guys think. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I just put it in the dirt. It was in water. I had it where the roots would stretch down to the water. I didn't have it directly in water. I had it where the roots had to actually grow toward the water in order to survive. And it worked out. It's beautiful. I love propagating red onions. If they're gonna turn out like this, I welcome it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for all the new subscribers. And don't forget to invite me to your channel. If you came through and subscribed, please invite me to subscribe to your channel. And let's support each other. Don't let one person do all the work. Let's work together. Let us support each other, going to each other's channel, not one-sidedness. If you don't like balcony gardens or all gardeners, then I guess you should be on a different channel. But to all the ones that accept this channel, a small balcony garden, thank you very much, because it is folks on here that have large yards, acres of land, that appreciate small channels too, that garden, because they love gardening, period. All things gardening. And that's what I like. So thanks guys for watching. I'm gonna let you go because I know you're busy in your gardens trying to grow food, because on the news they're saying the food prices are going above and beyond in price hikes. So this might just be a beautiful green onion, but I am growing some tomatoes and other things. But I just love the pattern that came. Oh, it's gorgeous. Bye, y'all. Thanks for your time and support.